then when it's your turn to go in there, then you can go in there and get what you want.
Now they send more armed thugs for one disabled person. Really? What's your name and badge number?
Deputy Jasek.
What's your name and badge number?
I'm Deputy Hawkins, 1730.
I need all your business cards right now.
Okay.
Right
So
now.
What he's wanting is records.
Hey,
And
I
he's
run the show here. I
There you
need
go.
your business card.
So he's
I need
not
your business
producing
card.
his ID to
Can I
get
have
the
your
records.
business card?
Eventually, yeah.
I need your
And-
business card. Not eventually. I need it now.
I'll be right back.
You guys follow me, you're my trustee. I am the executor and I am the beneficiary of my trust. You're my trustee. Okay, records, baby. Oh, they got disability buttons. Hey. They work. They did it. Oh, now we gotta be buzzed in, huh?
Can I help you?
Yeah, just here to pick up some records.
Okay, so you have to fill out a form. There's a table behind you.
I can't write, ma'am.
You're welcome.
I have a hard time writing, ma'am. Ma'am?
Yes.
I have a hard time writing. Can I just come talk to you in person?
No, I can write it for you because it actually has to be filled out.
I would like to just come in the door and talk to you.
No, I'm sorry. I can't let you in unless you fill that form out.
Okay, can you come fill it out for me? Can you come fill it out for me, ma'am?
I can fill it out for you, yes. You just have to, I can't do your signature. That you would have to do. And once you fill out the back of the form and my notary book.
No, I'm not signing, showing ID. I'm not doing a notary, ma'am.
Oh, then I'm sorry, then
But no, ma'am, but I have records, though. There's other questions I have that you need to... I also need some documents. They told me to come down here to get complaint forms. I need complaint forms for county attorneys. And I need complaint forms for sheriffs. So I need complaint forms for the sheriffs, too.
Okay, hold on one moment, please.
And complaint forms for county attorneys.
We don't have the complaint form for county attorneys. I'm not sure if that would be coming. I'm not sure where you would get that, but I can find out.
That'd be great, because no
Okay,
one seems to
So
know.
are you needing to do a records request, correct?
Yeah, I need body cam footage, but your Karen, she's being a Karen and refusing to give the body cam footage. You
So
guys are having a veil on
That
it.
actually goes through my supervisor, and she has to send that out to another company. It doesn't come, we don't do it ourselves.
It doesn't matter. They never gave me an itemization of a breakdown of how much it's going to cost. You guys are extorting the public. We shouldn't have to pay for public records, ma'am. I would like to talk to you in person and not
I'm
through a
sorry, hold on one
microphone. You could come out and talk to me in person like a real woman. Stop being a child.
Can you stop for a minute, please? I'm trying to get some help for you.
Okay, well, I'd like to talk to someone in person.
Hold on, please.
I can barely hear you through this thing. It's muffled. There it is. Oh, it's Jahira. Hi, Jahira. Hey, is that Jahira?
Hi, how can I help you?
Is this Jahira?
Yes, how can I help you?
Yeah, I needed some public records and to talk to you in person without showing ID. And I also need complaint forms. They told me I had to come down here to get complaint forms. Before, you guys tell me I have to go to the administrative building to get complaint forms. Now they tell me I have to come down here.
Okay, which records would you like to request?
I need body cam footage. You know what I'm talking about. I have it all. There's 3 different incidents.
Do you have the case numbers for those?
Nope, you guys refused to give me the case number last time, and then you had Scooter come and kick me out. You remember, ma'am. And then you just laugh and smirk at me because you force an ID, which that's a violation of my 4th Amendment, the right to be secure in my person's, houses, papers, and effects. I can't fill it out, ma'am.
We'll go out there and notarize that
I have a
form.
disability, so I struggle to write. You don't remember, do you? Hey, when did you get these disability buttons in? Do you know how long ago? Hello? Jahira, you gonna send down another officer to kick me out of a public building? I need some help, guys. I can't write. And then they just leave and lock the door, see? This is how government treats we the people, the real government, guys. They're operating de facto, not de jure. Oh, might as well get a drink of water while I'm here. It's probably poison. Ooh, so good and juicy. Come on, guys, I need help. Shouldn't have to be pushing the button like this. See, they try to tell you to do this stuff, but what if you can't write? What if you have a hard time and struggle to write? Or your hand's cramping up and so you can't write right now? They don't care. They don't care. Huh?
So what's going on today?
Same thing happened in July. I'm trying to get some records, man, and they're dereliction of duty. And last time you tried to kick me out, dereliction of
I'll let
duty.
you stay in the lobby.
Oh, you should. I should be able to go in here. Is there anything that says no authorized personnel only?
No. But
So why can't I go in
I
there?
told you what records are you trying to get?
Multiple records. I've been talking to Karin McDougal. She's a Karen.
Karen?
The county
With
attorneys.
us?
County attorneys don't do their job either.
Okay, well, I don't have to tell
I
you
have
that.
nothing against you, sir.
I don't have anything against you either.
But I just don't appreciate them sending you down here for me when my
Well, the
issue
reason why I came
is
over
talking
here
with
'cause
them.
You're banging on their door.
They're not answering.
Well, you're fine to be in the lobby.
But they're not
Well-
answering and responding. I told Jahira I am not going to sign the notary. That's a violation of my 4th Amendment, the right to be secure in my persons, houses, papers, and effects.
Okay.
And she comes out here and starts filling everything out, and then we get to the end. Oh, you have to do this, or we're not going to do that. And I told her before
What do
she
they
started
need you
filling
to-
it out.
What do they need you to fill out? One of these forms?
And you can clearly see I have muscular dystrophy, can't you?
Yeah, I got that.
Can you see or not?
I can, sir.
Okay.
Is there anything I can help you do to fill out the paperwork?
Probably not, because last time you said you were going to help me get the case number, then you go out to your car and get your laptop, just as a little ploy to kick me out.
No,
I'm not
I came
afraid of you,
in here
dude.
with my laptop to
I'm
give
not
you the
afraid
case.
of you.
I'm-
You might be physically stronger than me, but I am mentally stronger than you, boy.
Okay, well, we're not going to get into that, but I didn't go get my computer and I looked up the case
You didn't
number
do
for
shit. No, you didn't. If
came in here and said-
you looked up the case number, you would have given it to me, and you never gave it to me. Scooter,
I
Scudder.
sat here with my computer. I remember doing it, and I looked it up.
It's all on video, bud.
Okay. Well, what can I help
Where's your body cam? Is it rolling?
It is. What can I help you with?
What case
today?
number is this then that they sent you down? I need that case number so I can achieve
We're
that
not
body
gonna have
cam.
a case number.
Well,
What's
I need to
gonna happen?
achieve that body cam footage. So
what?
how am I going to achieve this body cam footage of us interacting
Okay,
right now
so-
on March 12th, 2025?
Do you need help filling this out, I can.
I
help
asked
do
you a
that.
question, and
Okay,
then
and
now
I'm
you're
asking you
redirecting
a
it with
question.
another question. You don't answer a question with another question, sir.
Okay, well, you're here. You said you.
Are
need
you
help.
non-compos mentis?
No,
Do you know what non-compos mentis means?
I do not. But we're
It's
not
Latin,
gonna-
baby. It's
Okay.
Latin.
So what do you need today?
I need to. How am I going to get this body cam footage? Is the first question I asked
Okay,
you.
I can give you the incident number that this is.
That's
gonna
what
be.
I asked for, and you said there's not any incident number. So why
I
are
didn't
you
say that
lying?
It's not going to be a case. number.
Okay,
You got
incident
the
number then.
numbers?
I made
Okay.
it use the wrong terminology. Okay.
All right. So what are you trying to get from the ladies today?
Public records, because Karen refuses to give me an itemization, a breakdown of why the body cam footage was $360, which is extortion.
Well, I don't know about.
And
that.
she
Why-
never sent that to me. She just thinks this is funny and this is laughed. You guys are operating de facto. You're my trustee. You work for me.
Okay.
You work for me, sir. So you take orders from me.
What are we trying to get today?
I want my public records, and I don't want to go through this bureaucracy bullshit, this autocracy bullshit that you are working for. Mind control, governo and mentis. Study your etymology so they
Okay,
can't use
okay.
rhetoric on you, sir.
All right, so you can't be banging on the door.
Why not?
That's fine.
They're not
Yes?
answering. It
Okay,
doesn't say
well-
no banging on the door.
Well, you
it should be a
can't-
sign.
That's
I'm trying to get their
causing a-
attention.
It's causing a disruption.
That's not a disruption.
It is to them.
Nobody's in here.
I mean, I don't know about a crazy incident, but we had someone in the lobby who was, I don't know, kind of impeding our ability to handle things.
Oh, yeah, because it seemed like something crazy was going on. I didn't know.
Sure.
Yeah.
Well, sorry that happened when you tried to came in. I hope that didn't waste too much of your time.
Oh, no, I didn't care. I was just kind of laughing at the situation. I thought it was funny.
Sure. Okay.
Was it hard
I
to do?
don't know that
Was it hard to do any work yesterday?
No, not really.
Well, they can hear it, obviously.
Well,
'cause
I would like to get my
they
public
call us.
records taken care of.
For what case are you looking for?
There's multiple cases. One that happened with Tippets. There's one that happened with Del Negro. There's one that happened with Dsel.
Okay.
There's multiple, and they're refusing to give them to me.
Why are they refusing to give them to you? Because you're not going to fill out. the
No,
form that's
she's
required
the
to-
first one I paid for back in 2022. Karen's refusing to give it to me because she says we're trying to protect the other party. No, you're protecting the state. You serve and protect the establishment. You don't serve and protect me. You have no authority to protect me unless I'm in your custody. Am I correct?
Correct.
I should have told him about Duchesne versus Winnebago or Castle Rock versus Gonzales, where cops have no authority to protect you. Castle Rock versus Gonzales is actually a Supreme Court case based out of Castle Rock, Colorado.
Okay, so you're trying to get records.
And why is it always you they send, by the
Because
way?
this is my area, and you just happen to come in when I'm on my day on.
I guess you like me, huh?
Maybe. So you're just don't want to fill out the form to get.
I'm not giving them my name, and I'm not giving them my ID, a notary. I told you. Do you know your First Amendment?
Okay.
What is the First Amendment?
Well, we're not going to get into that. So
No,
what
what
do
is
you
the
want to
First
do?
Amendment? We are getting into that. You're law enforcement.
Okay.
How can you consider yourself law enforcement if you don't even know the law?
I do know the law. But
Do you know
what-
corpus juris secundum?
Okay.
Corpus juris secundum, do you know it?
What are you trying to get?
Do you
to?
know corpus
I
juris
do not.
secundum? No.
What
So
are
you
we
don't know
trying
the
to get
law.
to- What are we trying to get today?
I told you I'm trying to get these records, and
Okay,
I'm not
then
going to beat
our
around the bush with
policy
you
is
because
that
you're
you
not
gotta-
doing shit.
we have-
Policies apply for you.
Oh, no, they apply for if
Policies
you,
apply for you.
If we require
Policies apply for you.
a form to be filled out
Nope.
to get the thing because they need the information.
So
then
you're going against the
refusing to do that.
you're going against the Constitution.
I'm not.
Yes, you are. You're just. Are you a moralist or an immoralist?
I don't-
A moralist does what is right regardless of what he is told. An immoralist does what he is told regardless if it's right or wrong. So are you a moralist or an immoralist?
We're not going to get into that.
You're just
So
following
what
orders.
What are you trying to get today?
You're an order follower.
Okay, what are we trying to get today?
You're military.
How can I help you?
I told you I want my records without having to show ID.
But that's what we.
And I want the case. I want the incident number. Write the
I'll
incident
get that
number.
for you in a little
You
bit.
can write it down now.
It's
I-
on my computer.
my
Can I
orders-
Go get my computer.
Go get your computer. Go get your computer.
Why won't you show them your ID to get your stuff?
Let's go get your computer.
I'll go get it in a minute.
Go get it now.
I'll go get it in a
You
minute.
do what I tell you to do, boy.
No, stop.
Boy.
We're not going to do that.
Boy.
Okay. So, you're okay to be in here, okay?
Boy.
But you can't
Come on, boy.
You can't be knocking on our door.
Hey,
okay?
you thought very good at listening to their elders, but they never failed to imitate them? Which one are you imitating right now?
We're not.
Are you imitating your ma
Okay,
or your pa?
listen.
Are you imitating your ma or your pa?
Here we go.
Which one?
You're okay to be in here. We require an ID to get the records, okay? If you're not going to produce your ID to get your records, you're not going to get the records that you're requesting.
Oh, I'm getting them
So,
either way.
you're-
Why do
you're
I'm
fine- you're fine
Hey,
sitting here, but you
listen.
can't be banging on the
Hey,
door
listen, I'm
disrupting
talking.
your-
I represent myself in propria persona.
Okay.
I should be able to get those like all other lawyers, get them for free under the discovery.
Okay, and the lawyers get them through the courts. If you want the records, you need to produce your ID to show them.
So you're
They
telling
will
me
give
you want me to go to the court then? It's you because you're not doing your job either, and neither was Del Negro.
Okay.
Del Negro wasn't doing his job, and that.
So, if you want the records, you need to show ID.
So he is right. I do need to go to the courts in order for me to be able to get my records under a discovery, and I'm slowly learning law.
Hey, what's your name and badge number again, please, for the
I already
record?
told you once.
No, I need it for the record because you changed your badge number. I thought it was
I didn't-
0211, and they changed it. So what is your badge
They
number?
didn't change it.
What is your badge number?
It's 1503
Then why did it say on your card 0211?
because that might have been an old card.
So what is it again
Went
now?
Before that,
What is it now?
it is 1503.
And Nathan Scudder?
Yes, sir. So if you don't want to show your ID to them to get the records, you're not going to get the records. You're fine to sit in here all you want. You can't be banging on the door.
You're gonna be famous.
Okay, that's good.
You
But
think it's funny?
You can't be banging on the door.
I'll just ring the
That's-
I'll just ring the bell until
Or
someone
you
answers.
You can't do that.
I'll just ring the bell.
Let's not do that.
Yes.
If you
Let's
do
do
that,
that.
you're going to be causing a disruption.
That's not a disruption.
It is. It's
Then what
disrupting-
CRS is that?
It's disrupting.
What
them.
CRS is that?
I can go look it up. I have my book. I
So you don't know
right
the
off the
law.
top. I do know the law. But
Is
you
that
can't be-
obstruction?
you can't
Is
be-
that
Okay.
disorderly
Here we go.
conduct?
So you're fine to sit in here. I'm not going to get into all this. I'm just telling you what we're doing today. You're fine to sit in here.
I'll
do whatever you
finally
want.
ring the bell because I need their information from
Okay,
them.
but you're not going to produce your ID to get what you want. So you're not going to get what you want if you're not producing the ID like we require.
Well, no. Before I've already paid for a body cam footage, and they're refusing to give it to me.
Probably
so
because
I
you didn't produce your ID
no,
to
that
get
was
that
back
body
in
cam.
2022, man.
Okay.
And they told me you don't have to show your ID. That was when Mark Pollard finally emailed me, and the other guy said, "Well, we're done with it." Do you guys want thousands of emails to come in and thousands of phone calls to come in?
Okay.
Because you guys
So-
aren't doing your job.
Okay.
Do you?
What do you want from me today?
Do you want thousands of phone calls to come in?
I don't. But
And I need
you
your
can't
card.
be-
I need
listen,
your card.
I'll give you a card. You can't be not banging on the door. You can't be ringing the doorbell, disrupting our record.
Well, you just said banging on the door.
Yeah.
I can ring the doorbell.
I said or ring the doorbell. I said.
Well,
both
I
of
need
those.
help. They're not coming out here.
But
and there's no
they-
sign. There should be a sign that says authorized personnel only there. There's no sign that says that. And they wouldn't
Okay,
allow me in
so
there.
You can go in there and you can get what you want if you produce your ID.
I would like to just wait in there. Why can't I can
Because
wait
you
in
can
there.
wait in here because if,
That's a
if
lobby.
other people listen, if other people come in getting records, they need their privacy of what records they're getting. So that's why we have this lobby out here. So you can wait, and then when it's your turn to go in there, then you can go in there and get what you want.
Now they send
Okay.
more armed thugs for one disabled person. Really? What's your name and badge number?
Deputy Jason.
What's your name and badge number?
I'm Deputy Hawkins, 1730.
I need all your business cards right now.
Okay.
Right
So
now.
What he's wanting is records.
Hey,
And he
I
needs to-
run the show here. I
No, you
need
don't.
your business card.
So
I
he's
need
not
your business
producing
card.
his ID to
Can I
get
have
the
your
records.
business card?
Eventually, yeah.
I need your
And-
business card. Not eventually. I need it now.
I'll be right back.
You guys follow me, you're my trustee. I am the executor and I am the beneficiary of my trust. You're my trustee. I am not afraid of you armed thugs.
No one wants you to be afraid of us.
Oh, but you guys surely do. Good thing you're not wearing a thin blue G-string line, or are you under there?
Nope.
That's a gang sign. Thank you.
Other than this, how's your day going?
Oh, it's great, man. I love my life. I love myself, dude. It's great once you go within. Know thyself, right? Most people don't know thyself, though, because they're too busy hanging out with friends or too busy watching entertainment, which entertainment, tain means to bind or hold, ment means the mind. Did you know you guys work for Governo and Mentis? In Latin, government means Governo and Mentis. Governo means to control, Mentis means the mind. You guys work for mind control. How does that feel? I understand you need a job and you're doing it out of that, but maybe you should do some heavy research into etymology so they can't use rhetoric on you. Red or blue, they'll screw you. Red or blue, they're not for you. Red or blue, they'll use rhetoric on you.
Where do you find all this info?
You can find it. Just do your research, man.
So I'm asking you where.
Have you ever heard of unum sanctum?
I'm asking you where to find it though.
Research, bud, internet.
Okay.
But you got to be careful with Google because the establishment controls what you read, right?
Yeah, for sure.
So write this down, unum sanctum, Sestu KV Act of 1666. Paper balls from Pope Boniface, 1302. All money is fiat currency. You look on the back of a dollar bill, it says Federal Reserve note, or on the front, it says Federal Reserve note, right? How the fuck can you pay a debt with a debt? You can't pay a debt. You can only discharge a debt. And then look at the dollar bill. Let's go see what he's saying.
He's gonna come in.
That's all right. I was just trying to see what you were talking about.
On the phone.
Oh yeah, trying to get me kicked out, huh?
No, that's not what I'm trying to do.
Do you know about
Okay,
do you know about unum sanctum?
Hold on.
You're working for unum sanctum.
Okay. So here's where
Sestu
we're at.
KV Act 1666.
Okay. Here's where we're at. You're fine to be in here. Okay.
I need your card.
That's literally what I'm doing right now.
'Cause you're my trustee, boy.
Okay.
You're boy.
So
You're a boy.
You can be in the lobby. There's not an issue with you being out here. Okay. You can't be banging on the door. You can't be ringing the doorbell.
I can fart in here all I want then.
Do whatever you want.
I can rip ass.
Sure. You can be in here all you want. Once you start banging on the door, ringing the doorbell, disrupting our girl.
Because I can fart on command at your demand if you want.
Okay.
I forgot to tell him if he wants some a little authority over me, he can have it, and I can fart on command at his demand.
We're not gonna get into that. So, all right, we're gonna get out of here. Okay. You're good to be.
I'm gonna ring the doorbell real quick.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I'm gonna ring it real quick. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna ring it. What are you gonna do?
Okay. You need to go over here.
I'm ringing it.
Okay. You're causing a disruption to our ladies back there. I told you you're fine to be in the lobby, sitting here. If you want to fill out the form that's required to get the records and show your ID, then you'll get what you want. Okay?
That's
Okay.
a violation of my Fourth Amendment. I do not understand what you're saying.
We have stuff. Everybody has to show an ID. And
Do you
nobody else has a
understand?
problem with it.
Do you understand?
I understand.
So
But-
you stand under me.
No, I know.
You stand under me.
I
That's what
understand what you're
understand
trying to say.
means. You
No.
stand under me.
No.
You understand? You said so. You stand under
Nobody-
me.
nobody
You're
else
supposed to
has a problem.
understand. It's called understand, not understand, because
Okay.
nobody stands under anyone.
Okay.
You said understand. You stand
So-
under me.
so here's where
my
we're at.
trustee.
Here's where we're at. You can be in this lobby all you want. You can't be ringing the doorbell. You can't be banging on the door.
Ring it.
Okay. Just fill out the forms you need.
It's not going to do any good. You guys are tyrants.
No. All
Yeah.
you have to do is show your
You work
ID.
for mind control.
Nobody else has a problem with
You protect and serve the establishment. You're not helping we the people, the real government.
Okay.
Did you forget about the Constitution, who the government is? It's we the people. You're my trustee.
Okay, we're not
You
gonna
work
get
for
into all
me.
that. We're
Yeah.
here because
You're not going to get
you're
into all
causing
that. You work for
disruption.
government, but we're not going to get into all that because you don't want to hear the truth. That's because I shift your paradigm, and you don't like when I shift your paradigm, boy.
Okay. Do you want to show your ID to get the forms you want and fill out the forms? Like I said, if you're having trouble filling out the form,
Write down that incident number right now. I need
can
all
help
your
you.
body cam footages.
I can help you fill out the form if you're not able to do that.
Write down
I'll
that
do
incident
if you
number,
want.
please.
Well, here, come over here.
Hey, you don't tell me what to do. I tell you what to do.
What form do you need to fill out? I've never filled out one of these. Can you show me? I can help
You're
you
law
fill-
enforcement, but you've never filled one of these out.
No,
But
I don't need to fill out a form to get records. I can call them and get them
for free. For free. So if
Yeah.
I know a police officer, I could have him get the records for free.
Can I see my card so I can write down the incident number for you?
You're actually going to do it?
You asked for it, right?
Well, I'm surprised, man.
Yeah, I told you we'd give it to you.
I'm surprised.
So do you need help filling out the form? I'd gladly fill out the form for you if you need
Of course,
help.
you can see, man. I'm
Alright,
a
you
T-Rex
guys-
crossed with a chicken, so I'm part top of the food chain, boy.
Okay. So, If you want to sit down over here, I'll help you fill out the form.
What point is it going to do? Because there's no ID. You should be the one standing up for my rights, saying I don't have to show ID, but
Well,
you're not.
That's part of
But
our
you're
policy,
not.
Is that everybody has to show their ID.
Nope.
Nobody else ever
Nope.
has a problem with showing
Nope.
their ID.
Is that the same for you, Scooter? Scudder?
all
It'll be
the same call.
incident. We're all in the same call.
And can you identify your names again, please?
Deputy Jacek, 1815.
Deputy Hawkins, 1733.
How long have you guys been with the force?
Almost 7 years.
A little over 7.
10.
And could I have your name again? And
There's Deputy Scudder, and it's 1503.
thank you, my trusty.
All right. Do you want help filling out the form? I told you I'll help you.
Yeah, fill it out, and then give them your ID.
No, we're not doing that. I'll
Fill it out and
for
give
you.
them
If
your
you have
ID.
trouble filling it out.
Nah, fill it out and give them your ID.
Well,
Let's do
That's
that.
not going to happen.
Well, then what's the point of doing this?
Because I'm offering to help you. If you're willing to show your ID, I'll help
If
you.
you're not
fill out the
offering to
form.
help, if you were offering to help, you would tell those young ladies back there to stop having to show ID.
I meant to tell him to go arrest those girls for abuse of public records, CRS 18-8-114.
We went through this 2 years ago, and then you guys went tyrannical. I guess I'll have to go to Steve Reams because he's the top authority in this account. So how do I get a hold of Steve Reams? How do I get a meeting with Steve Reams?
Oh, I'm sure there's stuff on our website.
You should know. No, you know. You work for Governo and Mentis. You tell me how to do it. I'm not going on the internet. What if I'm homeless and don't have access to a computer, sir? We ain't playing these games.
You can get on the internet. With
They
your
won't
phone.
help. How do you know that I have internet on here? How do you know I have a data plan on here and this ain't just phone? And another armed thug. Name and badge number.
What?
Name and badge number.
Hi, good morning, or good afternoon.
It's not. Who died? Why are you saying mourning? Who are you mourning? Who died?
I'm John
It's
Patton.
Grand Rising, sir.
Sure. What's your name?
What's your name?
John Patton. What's your name?
Jack?
Jack, nice to
What's
meet
my
you.
last name? Guess. Mehoff?
Oh, okay.
Good one, huh?
You guys, are we good here?
Yeah. So
I need your card, sir. I need your name, badge number. I need your card right now. No, you're my trustee. You work for me. You listen to me. You don't listen to them. Nope. I need your card right now.
Okay.
I need your card right now.
Help him fill the form out because he says he has trouble writing.
Okay.
And then
Did we help
if
him?
I help him.
No, you have to show ID. You guys aren't. You guys are violating my Fourth Amendment.
So.
You're violating my Fourth
Sorry,
Amendment.
let me
I
get
need
out of
your
here.
card.
Okay.
I need your card, dude. Are you like cross-eyed, man?
You won't get a rise out of me.
Use your neocortex in your limbic system. Don't use your basal ganglia part of your brain.
All right. So am I going to help you fill this form out?
Are you going to use your basal ganglia or are you going to use your neocortex and your limbic system?
Okay. So do you need help filling out the form? I told you I'd offer you.
I need
fill out
his
the form.
card right now, but he's not giving it to me.
Okay, I'll give you
He's just
my
staring
card
at
when
me
we're done.
cross-eyed, man.
Okay.
What's wrong
I'll
with
give
his
you my card when
eyes?
we're done.
Okay. So here's.
No, I want
Do you
it
need
right
me to offer
now.
that?
Okay.
And I told
Right
him as
now.
long as he shows his ID to the ladies, he can get whatever he needs.
Okay, here's the information that you need to fill out, the paperwork we're gonna clear.
Good, I don't need you guys here. You're wasting government resources. Clearly, you don't need to be here. You guys can't help me unless you go in there and tell them, give this man his records without the ID. But you're not going to do that because you're protecting
get
and
a
serving
case
the
number?
establishment.
How do we know what
He
records
won't
to
even
get?
give me the case number, dude. Last
do
time
we-
he kicked me out without giving me a case
I never
number.
did
No. What case number for the report of records you're trying to get?
Oh, there's multiple, dude, but the Weld County attorneys aren't doing their job either. Karin McDougal and Karen.
Okay.
And you guys think this is a joke. It's
Her
not.
name
I
is
am not.
Karen.
It's Kareen, but I call her Karen.
Oh, is it? Are we good here then?
Yeah, he's got all of our cards. He's got the incident number like he wanted.
What is
I
the
offered
incident number?
I offered to fill out the
What is
form
the
for
incident
him.
number
Fill that
again?
out.
You got a damn good memory, man.
Okay, you guys ready?
Yep.
Here's my card. Have a good day, sir.
Props to you
If
for
you
your
need something, let
memory.
us know, okay?
I'm gonna go push that button again. What happens if I push that button? What are you guys gonna do? That's what I want to know.
Have a good day, sir.
Hey, what happens if I push that button, Scudder? Wasting government resources, huh? Letting the cars run? I thought we were clearing out, boys. Come on, my trustees, get to work. Get to work. Get to work, you tyrants. See you later, Scooter. Scudder. Leave. Go. You're dismissed. You're dismissed. Go. Go, you tyrants. Go. Go. You're dismissed. Hey, you got a good memory, buddy. Go, tyrant. You're dismissed. Go.